Overall, I appreciate that this program combines both theoretical knowledge and the practical industry skills as well. Hi everyone, I'm Cindy from Myanmar. I'm currently studying Bachelor of Science with honors in International Tourism and Hospitality Management at NIM. After my Advanced Diploma internship, actually I was offered to be part of the Shangri-La's full-time position. At that time, it was really such a tough decision because whether I should continue the study or I should start working. Miss Danny, she explained that I can earn the UK bachelor degree within a shorter period of time without actually having to relocate in England. After I did some of the research, I found out that this CCCU is a well-established public university in England and is also one of the top ranking when it comes to the graduate outcomes in the employment. So these factors give me a confidence to continue to study this program. At first, I was quite nervous since I was studying in a new environment and adapting to a new education system, and I was also less confident in expressing my thoughts in English and interacting with people. And then my internship at Shangri-La Singapore also helped me improve my personality since I had to communicate with people and work with a different departments. My most memorable experience at NIM was my involvement as a student council member. I had to work with the students from the different countries and help organize the student activities and the school events. Overall, actually joining the student council has shaped my personality. It has strengthened my leadership skill and gained more deeper sense of belonging at NIM. And when it comes to the tourism, especially in the airport sector, I also study the airport operations software, which is like the ticketing software and the airport management system as well. And when it comes to the hospitality sector, I also learned the global distribution system, the GDS, which is the industry software widely used by the international hotels and the travel company, such as the MPS and the Shangri-La Singapore. As an international student from Myanmar, the main challenges I faced was adapting to a new environment. Everything was difficult at first since the education system is also different and need to communicate with different people. Since it was my first time of studying on my own in a foreign country at the age of 17, and I made the transition much easier, and the lecturers are very approachable whenever I need their guidance when it comes to the study and the student life. The student service team was also available to assist me. Their support made me feel comfortable and helped me adapt, feel like that, and I am at home. Teaching style encourages students to think critically and participate in discussion. Managed to apply what we learn in a real-world situation, which makes learning more meaningful and engaging. Most importantly, believe in yourself, because learning in a foreign country is not only about taking a degree, it's also about learning the experience where you learn the different cultures and communicate with different peoples as well.